Howdy folks, Jeff Buckley here, owner and master technician at My Father's Shop Certified Auto Repair. The good folks over at ATEQ sent us the VT36 to try out, and I want to show you all how quick and easy this thing works. And it's a compact entry-level way to get into tire pressure monitor systems. So this Chevy came in and it wasn't reading one of the tire sensors, and so we went ahead and changed that out, and now we have to tell it where all the wheels are. So what we do is we go on here and it says check the sensor, and then we're working on a Chevy. So we just scroll down to the Chevy, and this is a Silverado, so we go to the Silverado, and this is a 2010, and now it's telling us to activate that tire. Now to get into the system on the Chevys, you have to press the lock and the unlock on the key fob, and the vehicle beeps like that, and it goes into tire learning mode. So we'll go over here. Now when I activate these tires, the sensors, it should beep and tell us that it's recognizing it. And you see it read the sensor and it beeps, so we're going to go over to the other one. We just scroll over to the other tire. We activate the system. It reads it, and now we scroll down to the next tire. And again, we activate it, and we sure to hear it beep. It activate, and you just hear the beep. And we go to the one last tire. The vehicle beeps, and then it beeps twice, telling us that it's done. So now we go in here and just start this and turn it off, and we've activated all the sensors, and we've told the computer where each tire sensor is on the vehicle. So when the customer goes in and presses on here and it says they have a low right front tire, then it actually is that tire because we've told the computer where they are. So this is a really great option for you, the ATEQ VT36. So check it out, and as always, I appreciate you watching.